Hello and welcome to this short video showing how to install 2N Indoor Touch 2.0. There's a QR code pointing to the manual printed on the side of the package. Inside you can find a quick installation guide. Then there's a printed manual, drill pattern, screws and dowels, cleaning cloth and the 2N Indoor Touch 2.0 itself. The wall holder shown in the drill pattern is mounted in the main unit. You can take it off by unscrewing these two screws. At the back of the unit you'll also find a PoE port and terminals for things like doorbell button or an external power supply. Then there's also a reset button. You can use the drill pattern or the holder itself to mark holes for screws and cabling. The drill pattern shows the product's outer edges to help you align it with door frames, switches, etc. Make sure it's level while marking the holes. We recommend placing the unit approximately 120 cm from the ground. When installing the unit into a brick wall, please use suitable screws and dowels. Then place the holder into the wall and tighten the screws. Leave some length on the cables so that you can comfortably connect them. Once everything you need is connected, mount the unit by sliding it onto the holder from the top and then push the bottom part of the Indoor Touch against the wall so that the screw holes in the unit align with the holder. The final step is to tighten the two screws. And that's it, you've successfully installed 2N Indoor Touch 2.0. Head over to academy.2n.cz for interactive courses and official certification. Thanks for watching and we wish you a pleasant experience with 2N products.